Bird and Kip, Episode 65, 2 Lists.
Honk, honk,
Called Goose. It was later that day. Goose landed in the park.
I'm here.
Called Goose.
Honk.
Kip ran down the tree.
I'm glad you're here, Goose.
He said. Bird flew down.
I'm glad too,
She said.
We can do fun things.
Said Kip.
I made a list.
Said Bird.
I made a list too.
Said Kip. Bird and Kip looked at each other.
You made a list?
They both said.
Well,
Said Bird.
I guess we can use both lists. Good idea, Bird.
Said Kip. Kip looked at his list.
The playground is first.
He said.
Let's go, Goose.
Kip started to walk. Said Bird. She looked at her list.
The beach is first.
Said Bird.
Let's go, Goose.